Okay guys, so I'm at the super secret bug out location. This is my hidden bunker. Been hiking for like a week. I haven't ate anything in days. I have this one water bottle left that happens to be ice cold. I haven't drank water in months. I'm just kidding. A week. This is my only bottle of water. I have my emergency car kit because this is all I had, but it's better than nothing. And inside it, I'm in luck because my car was so far away. I had to get there. My car was a 3-day walk away, and I didn't have nothing. What was I gonna do? I had to get to the car because this is what was in there. So let's see what they taste like. Hopefully good. So obviously, I just want to test out these emergency food rations, and we're gonna see what this thing tastes like. It's not really to snack on, you know what I mean? But obviously, but these are the Coast Guard approved emergency rations. They have a 5-year shelf life. So really, that's about 10 years. I mean, I would eat this probably, or at least try. I mean, if it's there and it's been 10 years, or 7, then I'm eating it probably. So, I think this is the coconut flavor, I'm not sure. But one cookie is 84 grams, so it's each packet of 9 fortified food bars provides 3,600 calories. With drinking water restriction under all environmental, so it doesn't make you thirsty. So I guess there's really no easy way to open this. Other than using my knife that I don't have on me. Let's not be ridiculous. I always have a knife on me. Or, yeah, I always have a knife on me. Yeah, boy. Survival knife, very important. I was able to grab this in the situation that I was in because I had my EDC bag on me and this was in it. So we were in luck. Okay, so we're opening up the food rations here. Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to re-vacuum seal these because. So this is it. This is one bar. Of individually wrapped. Each one's individually wrapped. So 3,600 calories. I mean, that's basically a day. You can snack on that thing all day long and be okay. So you got 9 here. So you're good for a little over a week. I mean, really, if you can't find food within that time period or get to where you're going. Okay, so I forget what I was saying because some homeless man tried to rob me and I had to get rid of him. But anyway, we opened it up and not bad. Guys, this is actually pretty good. Not bad. Not bad at all. So, it took in a little more than half. I mean, I train a lot. I lift a lot of weights. I work a lot all day long, so I'm gonna eat this whole bar. I'm not gonna eat lunch today. This is lunch. By the time I get done lifting weights and busting my ass the rest of the day, this 3,500 calories will be done. Burn right through me like it's nothing. I don't know that you would eat it that fast, but take one more bite. It's good. So, now stop. Save the rest for later. They're good. They are very good. I'm gonna have to re-vacuum seal these, I guess. They are individually wrapped. I don't think they're gonna last 5 years like that, because this individually wrapped paper is kind of chintzy. So, yeah. The S.O.S. Rations Detergents. Food Labs Incorporated. And these are U.S. approved, Coast Guard, U.S. approved by the Coast Guard. So these are what they have on the ships and stuff. Made in the USA. And not bad. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I would recommend getting these ones for your emergency food rations. They're 15 bucks or something like that. I don't know exactly. I'll put the price below. They're good till 2025. Really, they're good till 2030. And you can feel the weight of this thing. It's kind of heavy, especially when it's all tight. I have another one just that I won't open like this, but I'll re-vacuum seal it, and should be good to go. Or, you know, this will be the one I bring the snack on when I'm on hiking trails. I'll just keep a bar in my bag at all times or something like that. So, because I opened it, so yeah, bug out situation. It's the fan situation. Car kits, even just around the house. These are the ones I recommend. So check them out, and that's it, guys. And I'll see you next time. Peace. Oh, like, share, subscribe. Later.